Today I'm going to review the Ultra Tough Ultra Steel 65-piece ratchet screwdriver set. And that's what it looks like on the front. It's got the pieces and everything. Here's the barcode if you want to scan that. This is the item number if you want to look in an SKU search engine or whatever. This is what it comes with. And this is a really nice set. It's very nice until you get to the ratchet part. Let's see. The screwdriver set works perfectly. The bit goes in, and the micro screwdriver fits perfectly. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Now, with this ratchet screwdriver, it's got 3 locks. The top one only lets you go to the right. The bottom one only lets you go to the left. And the middle one locks it completely, so you have a sturdy screw base there. And what I don't get is that no matter what bit you get, say you want to go for a flathead, you put it in there, it just sinks right in. It's supposed to be like a couple of inches out like that, but that just sinks right in and falls right out. Okay, let's say you're on a two-handed job here and you need to tilt it. Well, that's not going to work. And to show that I'm not pressing nothing, this is just a switch to lock it in place. Okay. That switch turns it this way. That's the up position. This is the bottom position. And this is the middle position. Locks it right up. So with it locked, you can't do nothing. And the attachment that goes in there just pops right out. And that could be really bad in some situations. So I do not recommend it for the ratchet set. I recommend it for the screwdriver set, because this works perfectly. You know, that has a stick to it. And so let's move on to the ratchet little bit. You get the little bit ratchet out, right? And the little bit that it connects to. You put it in the screwdriver, like so. Lock it in there, you can hear it. And see, it doesn't go in that way, because that's a square side. And this is a round side. That looks similar. Doesn't go like that. What you need is this bit right here. This bit will control the ratchet set, and this little circle will lock it in place. So you just put it in there. You just hear the click. You got a good solid lock. But it won't go in the screwdriver that works. because it's too big. So you have to go and get the bigger one, put it in there. Again, there's no little dot on here that will lock it in place. There's no dot inside that will lock it in place. No dot inside that will lock it in place. And so you just put this in there. Put it in there like that. And then it just falls right out of there. So that's why I don't recommend it. And this will fit all sizes, all the small sizes, all the medium sizes, and of course the large size. And that'll go in there. Maybe you got a screwdriver this little bit can go into, because this one is pretty much dead and you can toss this out. Because everything you put in there, well, let's put in the, let's get one that fits. Big Phillips head. Put it in there. Everything you put in here will just fall out. And there's no lock on there. There's only a lock to lock the this part right here. That's all this does, is lock the ratchet. It does not hold any screwdriver set, any pieces to the screwdriver. So that's why I don't recommend using it for the ratchet, but you can test it out yourself. The only good thing about this is that the little screwdriver works perfectly, and that goes down to the smallest bit, which is a, let me turn this over, it's a CRV 1.5. CRV 1.5. Let's focus on that. Can we do that? Can you see it? Right there. And that's all this set is good for. This can be thrown out, or you can resell it. Really has no value because it doesn't work. But there's always someone out there that will want to buy that. Anyway, that is the 65-piece set. And there's this little thing on the back that you can hang it in the garage. It just slides up like that. And you can hang it. Slides right out like that. Goes back in. Again, this is what it comes with. This is the barcode, if you want to look it up. And this is the item number. It is TS99816R. So if you want to look for it, you can get it. It's great for the little screwdriver is great for opening up video games and cleaning them. So that's all I got this for. It's for video games. And that concludes the video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe if you are new. Thank you.